Chef here, I'm back. I'm making a bouquet garni. A bouquet garni is a French word for a clump of herbs on a string. I've got here some fresh parsley. I've got some rosemary sprigs. And I've got some fresh oregano. I'm going to add a bay leaf right to the center. And I'm going to take a string and tie this around. Now, if you were my student in culinary school, I'd be charging you a lot of money to learn this. However, this is free on the channel. Only thing I ask is that you check out the products and the sponsor, and maybe you'll find something that will be interesting, like this bouquet garni. This now gets added to a soup, stock, or stew. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. For the herbs, I'm moving to a Japanese layered Damascus knife. It's just sharper. I love the octagon handle and the Damascus layers. And it's going to cut these herbs beautifully, quick and easy. Two things. This is fresh rosemary. Love it. I've got the sprigs. I'm not going to waste them. I'm going to put those aside. I'm going to save them right over here. And I got the rosemary. Oh yeah, this knife just glides through. Look at that. Chopped rosemary, 5 seconds. Good enough to go. We're going to put that right in as well. Okay. Parsley, I'm going to chop a little bit. However, I'm going to leave this clump. Alright, here's the rosemary. In French we call this bouquet garni. So I have my bouquet garni on the side here. I'll put a little bit of these fresh herbs here, okay, in the stew. We're going to garnish with some herbs as well. Okay, chopped parsley, 10 seconds. Looking really, really good. Here is the same cutting board 48 hours after I gave it the mystery oil treatment. I want to zoom in and show you just how nice it is. The patina, the color. Fresh oregano, and it's flowering. Wow. You're only going to get that once in a while. Probably if you grow it would be ideal, or if you know the farmer, maybe down the street or something. Hard to get this stuff here. Okay, got the fresh oregano. Yeah, a little nice looking oregano. And again, I'm going to chop some of this, the smaller, more tender pieces, and these bigger ones are going to be part of my bouquet garni. My oregano. Okay, I've got my herbs right here now, and they're going to go right into the Dutch oven. Herbs go in, spread them around, looking good. I've also got 2 cups of beef stock going right in there. Subscribe right here. Oh yes, it's time now to add the bouquet garni. Got the bouquet garni right here. This goes right on the side of the pot, down into the liquid, and we tie it, if possible, we tie it around the handle so that we can easily remove it later. Just like this. Okay? Oh yeah. This is going to be an amazing beef sirloin stew. The bouquet garni. Plating up the beef stew. I've got a nice amount of pan-fried potatoes here. Couple of fresh herbs on there. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Try this recipe out. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Get cooking and have a great day. Use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Eat these foods: watermelon, fresh strawberries, fruits, vegetables every day. Oh yes. Open your mind. Healthy whole foods. Avoid the junk foods. Follow the Mediterranean. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks, buy the best the first time, save money. oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,